So guys, dami din karon sa Coron, Palawan.
Hi everyone!
Background mo na ako.
Hi everyone!
Welcome to my channel.
Now it's time to check in, but we have to make sure that we're going to be checking in safely. Hi! Hi, 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 hi. Okay guys, so before anything else, please don't forget to click like and subscribe and hit the notification bell down below. And my mother is already talking. Let me introduce to you first who I'm gonna be with together in this vlog. So I'm with my mother and my father and my boyfriend. So we are gonna be exploring this resort together here in Mactan Island, Cebu. So basically Mactan is an island in Cebu City. Oh no, it's not in Cebu City, Cebu Province. We also call Mactan Island Lapu-lapu City. Mactan Island is known for its So Mactan Island is known for its beautiful beach resorts. Also, the Mactan International Airport is located in Mactan, guys. So in this vlog, we did some random activities in the resort. We dined in the restaurant, and of course, we took some drone shots within the area. So this is a room tour here in Maribago Bluewater Resort. We actually booked a deluxe room for one night with free breakfast. But then the resort gave us a free upgrade for a premium deluxe room with free breakfast as well. This staycation is basically for free. It's because I got EGCs or electronic gift checks from Giftaway PH to spend with. This is the only resort in Mactan that accepts gift-away GCs, by the way. Sumilon Island Bluewater also accepts, but it is located in Oslo, Cebu, which is 3 to 4 hours away from our home. And it's quite far for my parents. That's why we decided to stay here. Well, anyway, Bluewater Maribago is just near to our home. It's located in the same city that we live in, around 20 to 25 minutes away from our house. We luckily had a chance to stay here, and I'd be glad to share this with you. This resort also provides you a free safety kit, which is a must-have in this time of pandemic. If you want a perfect or quick getaway within the city, then this place is perfect for you. But if you prefer to experience the fine white sand beach, the legit white sand beach here in Cebu, then you should go around south or around north for that. Yes, we look sad in this part of the video since the resort wouldn't allow us to take drone shots. It's because of the privacy policy of their resort. Hello, good morning you guys. Padong mi karon mag-boating. Boating na sad. Boating padong sa mga gagmay na isla diri sa Lapu-lapu. I'm together with my brother and my boyfriend and my mother and my father. Let's go. Sa isla sa Mundo Island. Sa Sa una mo na ipangan.
Karon gibot nga og ganog mundo
Ha?
kay puro mag bukid.
Saglit ano lang ko
Mundo.
Sa Mundo Island, sa Lapu-lapu. Portugasa.
Nami diri sa dagat sa Lapu-lapu. Naglangoy-langoy ang duha ka buk managsuon. Apan diri.
So guys, dami din karon sa Coron, Palawan. El Mactan.
Welcome to Coron
Welcome to Coron, guys. Coron is Lapu-lapu. Super mini, guys. So, ano siya? 5 square meters.
And it's draw time.
Better soleil, better soleil, better soleil, better soleil, better soleil.